Hi, I'm Steve Clark of RFC of San Francisco. Today I'm going to speak about what type of circular saw blade for plexiglass. I'm finding more and more on my projects these days, customers wanting plexiglass instead of regular glass for their windows. Well, when I'm cutting this particular material, I use my circular saw and I use a 60T blade for this type of cuts. It's really important that you use a minimum of 60T for your cuts, otherwise you'll shatter the material. When I do cut, I make sure I have a clamp and I measure the thickness of that plexiglass, so I set my saw at the appropriate gauge. You should always cut it at least ½ inch deeper than what the thickness of that material is. Today we went over what type of circular saw blade for plexiglass. I'm Steve Clark, a licensed general contractor and a licensed plumber of RFC of San Francisco. Thanks for watching.